This is like the most affordable things you can get as a YouTuber for a start. Okay, so you want to start YouTubing, you want to use your phone, you don't have money, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kadi and my name is Kadi. If this is your first time, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. My channel is about history, music, tourism and lifestyle. So today is a lifestyle video and I just want to share with you the gadgets I use with my iPhone for YouTubing. I've gotten a lot of questions on how do you use your iPhone for YouTubing, what do you use your iPhone, like what do you use it for, what gadgets do you use. So that is what today's video is about. So if that's what you're interested in, stick with me guys. I'm going to divide these gadgets into segments, We're just going to talk about the microphone that I use for my iPhone. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about things I use with my iPhone for YouTubing, to carry out my YouTube videos, to mention a few. So let's jump right into it guys. So guys, the first on my list is my iPhone microphone. I've already done an unboxing video on the iPhone microphone. You can check my unboxing playlist. This is what I use for my iPhone. When I'm recording videos with my iPhone, I use this iPhone mic, the lavalier microphone. I don't know if I pronounce it well, but it's very useful. I use it for my iPhone videos. I use it for my recordings, my podcast recordings. So this is very useful. You can get it, online stores and gadget stores, to mention a few. So this is my iPhone mic. That's like my first gadget I use with my iPhone. It's very affordable. Okay, the next is this. It's a lighting to 3-in-1 connector. It's a pop-up window. So I don't know the brand, but then it's something that is really affordable that I got to use. It's iPhone connector. So I connect this, I connect this to my iPhone and then I plug it to a speaker. If I want to listen to my videos, this iPhone mic that I just dropped, the lavalier mic, it has this with it too, but then if I don't want to attach the mic, I make use of this. Okay, I have an unboxing video for it too, so you can check it out. It's a YouTube short. So this is, I have a nylon full of all these gadgets so that I can show you guys. So this is the cord I use. Okay, so it's like a connector. So I just simply plug this to my iPhone and then I connect this. Okay, so you can see. So let's say with my iPhone, so I just chuck it in like this, and then I connect it to a speaker. So my speaker is inside. Then that's my second gadget and my third gadget. Okay guys, so I'm addicted to packaging. I like to leave my stuff in the package so that it doesn't get missing. So I'm just going to put that here. Okay, so the next on my list after this cord is my MIFI. So I've done a video on reviewing this MIFI. I've done the unboxing video of this MIFI. So I connect my iPhone to the internet to upload videos on YouTube. So let me just quickly give you a summary. I've mentioned that I use my mic to record my video, my lavalier mic, clip-on mic, and then I have this USB connector, lightning connector, where I connect my phone to a speaker, and then I have my MIFI, which I connect to the internet to upload my videos. That's not all guys. I have this. So I have a tripod and I have a ring light. I'm using the ring light currently, so I can't show you guys, but then I have a video of unboxing the ring light and setting up the ring light, so you can check it out. And this is my I'm trying to remember the name, selfie stick. Okay, so I can use this selfie stick for video recordings too. I use it for video recordings, especially if I have to stand and this thing. So this is my selfie stick. I use it for video recording. There's the tripod. It's a small tripod that I also use, and a ring light. Okay, so guys, this is like the most affordable things you can get as a YouTuber for a start. Okay, so you want to start YouTubing, you want to use your phone, you don't have money, this video is for you, and I hope that I've been able to explain to you the basic things you can have as a YouTuber for YouTubing with your iPhone. Don't forget, you need your iPhone mic, you need the iPhone connector to connect to speaker, you need your MTN MIFI for internet connection, and then you also need your selfie stick, your tripod stand, and your ring light. Okay guys, so there are different sizes of ring light. There's the 10, there's the 18, there's the 12, there's the 15, so any one that you can afford is fine. Okay guys, I hope this video has been able to help you decide some gadgets that you can get to use with your iPhone for YouTubing. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, turn on the notification button, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.